Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the next types of bond here. Yesterday we finished the what is a bond and explain the types of bond. We did the two types of bond. First called is what here? We take the first covalent bond. It has the two types, sigma bond and pi bond. And second we take the what here? Which bond here? Ionic bond. क्लियर बेटा? वो इजी टॉपिक था. अब टॉपिक नंबर मतलब टाइप नंबर थर्ड ले रहे हैं हम लोग बॉन्ड का. दिस कॉल इज व्हाट हियर. सो वी टेक द थर्ड टाइप्स ऑफ बॉन्ड इज कॉल्ड इज व्हाट हियर. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. सो वी टेक द क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. क्लियर. सो द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड इज डिफाइंड एज when the hydrogen atom is bonded or attached to highly electronegative atom like nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. These three atoms are act as what here? Electronegative atom. So when hydrogen atom is H is bonded to N or H bonded to O or H bonded to F, it means when the hydrogen atom is H bonded to the highly electronegative atom like nitrogen, oxygen or fluorine, to form the bond is called as what here? Hydrogen bond. Short form HB. This HB indicate the hydrogen bond. For example, in the HN, in the HO or in the HF, all these three compound are have the hydrogen bond. Clear? So what is hydrogen bond? It is defined as the hydrogen atom bonded to highly negative atom like nitrogen, oxygen or fluorine to form the bond called as the hydrogen bond. Now identify the hydrogen bond in the following compound. For example, we take the first compound, what here? H2O, NH3, H2, O2, CH3. Now identify the which compound which have the hydrogen bond. So we take the first molecule H2O. This H2O molecule contain a hydrogen atom bonded to the oxygen because the H2 is a formula of water molecule. क्लियर बेटा. तो यहाँ पे जो हाइड्रोजन है बेटा वो किससे रिएक्ट हुआ है? इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम यानी ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्ट हुआ है. तो इट कंटेन विच बॉन्ड हियर? HB. HB called is what here? Hydrogen bond. This NH3 also contain the hydrogen atom bonded to the electronegative atom like the nitrogen. So it is also called as what here? The hydrogen bond, short form HB. But here this H2 does not contain an electronegative atom. So this compound contain what here? Covalent bond. Example solve कर रहे हैं बेटा हम लोग. This O2 also does not contain a hydrogen. Here contain electronegative oxygen but does not contain a hydrogen. That's why it is also the covalent bond, short form CB. CB called as what here? Covalent bond. Next CH3. The CH3 is also contain a what here? The covalent bond. Why? Because it does not contain the electronegative atom. So hydrogen atom is bonded to the most electronegative atom like that of the what? Nitrogen, oxygen or fluorine. So that's why it form the hydrogen bond. Otherwise it does not form the hydrogen bond. ये याद रखना. आपको क्या याद रखनी है क्राइटेरिया कि अगर H किसी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम से, so there are three main electronegative atom. First called is nitrogen, second called is oxygen and third called is fluorine. These three electronegative atom bonded to hydrogen, that's why it form the hydrogen bond. Otherwise it does not form the hydrogen bond. It may be form the ionic bond or covalent bond, depend upon the atoms. If the hydrogen have the electronegative atom, these are bond called as hydrogen bond. If the एटम इज नॉट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव नेचर, इट फॉर्म द मे बी कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड और आयनिक बॉन्ड। क्लियर है बेटा? तो आपको याद कैसे रखना पड़ेगा, आपको जो हाइड्रोजन है बेटा वो अगर किसी 3 एटम से, यानी जो तीनों एटम कौन से इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम है, अगर उससे रिएक्ट होता है तो क्या बनेगा, Hb कॉल्ड एज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाता है। सो 3 टाइप्स ऑफ द व्हाट हियर बॉन्ड कॉल्ड एज द हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड। What definition is there? In a simple language, the hydrogen atom bonded to the highly electronegative atom like that of a nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. That's why it contains which bond? Hydrogen bond. Clear beta? Now we take the fourth. What we take here? The fourth compound, that is called as what here? So we take the fourth compound is called as metallic bond. What here? The metallic bond. What here beta? The metallic bond. So first of all, what is metal? Metal is a substance which have a tendency to conduct the electricity as well as heat through it. Metal have a tendency to conduct the electricity as well as what here? To conduct the electricity as well as heat through it, called as what here? Metal. So what is metallic bond? So it is defined as the electrostatic force of attraction in between the what here? Outermost electronegative charge, in between the what? Outermost electronegative charge, and it contain a what here? Proton plus charge. So what is metallic bond? It is defined as the electrostatic force of attraction in between the what here? Electronegative and electropositive atom. In a simple में क्या रखिए बेटा? The attraction, the bond formed by when the attraction of outermost electron and inside what here? Proton. This attraction is called what here? The metallic bond is formed. Clear? The bond formed by the attraction in between the electronegative charge which contain outermost shell and inner shell which contain what here? Plus charge, plus called as proton. So this attraction is called as what here? Mb called as what here? Metallic bond. Clear? The electrostatic force of attraction in between the outermost electron and nucleus contain what here? Proton. The bond is called as what here? Metallic bonds. So all metal which contain a metallic bond, you know. Okay, clear? So what is metal? Metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity. For example, iron, cobalt, copper, it's all called as what here? The metal in nature. Clear? Metal is also called as a good conductor of heat and electricity. Clear? You know conductor? Conductor means what here? To passes the heat and electricity through is called as a conductor. What is a semiconductor? So the substance, it may be passes or not passes the what? Electricity through is called as a semiconductor. And third is called what is insulator? Insulator is a substance in which does not passes the heat or electricity through it, called as a what here? We can say that third point is there, insulator. For example, non-metal is a insulator, whereas the iron, cobalt, copper is a what here? Conductor or metal. And third, metalloid called as a semiconductor. So metalloid, it means it may be initially it is a what? Insulator and change into what here? Conductor. That's why it's called as metalloid. Clear? For example, arsenic, okay, or is an example of what here? Metallic nature of element, or what's next point here? The semiconductor. Okay beta? So we take the first here, what? Third, hydrogen bond means what and metallic bond means what? Clear? Now we take the next topic here. What we take topic here? What is the electronegativity? What is the electronegativity? Define the electronegativity. ये क्वेश्चन आता है आपके बेटा. So what is electronegativity? So it is defined as the capacity of any element to accept the electron pair through it. Yes, the capacity or capability of any element to accept the electron through it or to attract the electron through it called is what here? Electronegative element or atom. For example, the electronegative atom like what here? Nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, then chlorine, then bromine and then iodine. It all these compounds are act as what here? Electronegative in nature, because all these compound in which fluorine, chlorine, bromine contain negative part are here also contain what? One lone pair, and here how many? Two lone pair. It also contains how many lone pair? Three lone pair. Here also contains what here? Three lone pair. All these compound contain what here? Three lone pair. Clear? So any atom which have the lone pair or negative charge, this act as electronegative atom. Any atom which have the what here? Lone pair or electronegative charge, negative charge called as what here? Electronegative atom. So what is electronegative atom? It is defined as the capacity of any element to attract the electron pair through it called as the electronegative element. यानी जब भी रिएक्शन हम किसी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम से करते हैं तो एटम क्या करता है? इलेक्ट्रॉन को अपनी तरफ क्या अट्रैक्ट करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल देखो, फॉर एग्जांपल NaCl. दिस Cl इज अ इलेक्ट्रो व्हाट? इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम. So these Cl are attract the electron pair from the sodium. So sodium has the plus charge and Cl have the minus charge. Why? Because these Cl are electronegative atom and these atom are attract the electron. How many electron in the sodium? 2, 8, 1. So this 1 are accepted by what here? 2, 8, what here? 7. Change into what here? 2, 8 here. 2, 8, 8. So in this example, this chlorine is an electronegative atom and these atom are accept the one electron pair to what? Through it. So that's why the chlorine are act as what? Electronegative atom. So all the electronegative atom are attract the electron pair through it. अब रिएक्शन अगर करते हैं हम लोग सोडियम की Cl के साथ में, तो Cl इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम है बेटा, यहाँ पे Cl इलेक्ट्रॉन अट्रैक्ट करेगा सोडियम से, तो सोडियम लॉस करेगा, चार्ज क्या आएगा? प्लस आएगा. एनी एटम विच लॉस है इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज पॉजिटिव and any atom to attract or accept the electron or withdraw the electron through it called the negative charge. So Cl accept the electron which have the negative charge and this sodium or loss electron which charge are positive charge. Clear? So it's all about the what types of what bond. Third we take the hydrogen bond, fourth we take the metallic bond, and last we take the what is electronegativity. So it is defined as the capacity of any element to attract the electron pair through it called is what here? Electronegativity. For example, all these elements are electronegative in nature, or any element which contain negative charge or a lone pair, this called as a lone pair. What is a lone pair? Lone pair means a non-bonded electron. Those electron which does not take part in the bond formation, it is called as a non-bonded electron or lone pair. Clear? Okay. So in this example, this Cl are electronegative atom. This Cl are accept the electron pair through from the sodium. So sodium are loss electron charge positive, whereas Cl is accept the electron charge negative. Okay, clear? तो ये सिंपल आपको टॉपिक था बेटा. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.